So today, let's make pizza. Let's make Hawaiian pizza. That is ham and pineapple. No, wait, come back, come back. Look, I'm sort of ambivalent to ham and pineapple pizza. It's one of those things that's absolutely going to divide a room. Look at this poll I put up on the site recently. By the way, if you want to see more polls like this, make sure you subscribe and it'll pop up in your community YouTube feed. But you can see here, the majority of people are quite happy with a pineapple pizza. The pineapple pizza, yes, is a bit of an odd combination. Pork and pineapple, the key foods of the Hawaiian people. No, not really. It's actually a Canadian invention. Sam Panopoulos, a Greek-born Canadian, came up with the idea. Post-World War II, the Americans were absolutely fixated on the idea of pizza. It became an absolute runaway success. Sam hit on the idea when the idea of combining things and making things led by a state were really popular. He chose the name Hawaiian after the brand of pineapple that he used to put on the pizza. In Australia in 2019, a poll revealed that Hawaiian was the favourite pizza, and on Grubhub as recently as 2020, they said that that was one of the most popular deliveries on their app. So the Hawaiian pizza, though it may divide people, is absolutely here to stay. Why am I doing Hawaiian pizza then? Well, in a recent video, you'll note I went to Gordon Ramsay's street pizza kitchen. One of the ones I really enjoyed there was the chicken and chorizo, really interesting. But I also enjoyed the ham and pineapple, and it wasn't just the standard affair. There was no tomato sauce, and it was the parmesan at the end, or pecorino, that really made it. Even Gordon himself claims to not like pineapple on pizza.
Let's have 10 of the pepperonis.
How many pepperonis?
Yeah. Pineapple on pizza. So. Oh, yeah! Imagine salty, sweet, cardboard, because that's what's exactly going on in my mouth. Like, this isn't a pizza, this is a mistake.
And appears to complain when it's put on his own restaurant's menu.
Nice dough. Make it nice and thin, Chris. Okay, good. Mozzarella, yeah, good. No, not pineapple. Ham and pineapple. Hold on, wait a minute. I recognise that oven. No, it's my restaurant. No.
But let's go ahead and make our pineapple and ham pizza. So starting with a standard dough here, 400 grams strong flour, about 250 of lukewarm water and about 5 grams of yeast. Half a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of salt, and then mix it together. Knead thoroughly for about 10 minutes until springy and elastic. And then leave to rest covered for about an hour. Then shape into your pizza base. And now cover generously with mozzarella cheese. You can use pre-grated, use it from a block. I always find it's easier to use the stuff from a block here rather than the stuff that goes in water because it ends up being a bit mushy on the pizza base. And then we're going to add ham. If you've cooked gammon, like one of the recipes on this site before, you can use one of those. Otherwise, my supermarket sells ready shredded ham. And then I'm using tinned pineapple here, which I'm going to blowtorch gently just to get some nice charring and interesting flavours. Pop that on top of the pizza. And then bake in a really hot oven, on a stone if you've got one, for 10 to 15 minutes depending on how hot your oven are and what mood your dough is in. After coming out of the oven, generously grate on some Parmesan. And this sweet, sharp combination is going to be the finishing touch that really makes this pizza, giving off a really cheesy aroma. So here we go with our ham and pineapple pizza. As I say, not my usual order, but I think that Gordon one converted me. Providing you're generous with that mozzarella on your base, a little spritz of oil, and then the freshness of pineapple, and that blast of Parmesan at the end really comes together in a really interesting way. It's not your mama's Hawaiian. Yes, it's a winner. If you're not convinced by Hawaiian pizza, go try it out. If you thought that was interesting, hit that like button and check out some other pizza I've got over here.